What if I told you that you can turn your product into a tiny, realistic miniature that looks so real? People won't believe it's AI. It even powers on just like the real device. Let me show you exactly how to create these viral miniature product unboxing videos. First, go to the video description below and copy the master prompt. Next, open Google Flow AI, switch to video mode. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and select the Omni Flash video model. Then, paste the master prompt into the prompt box. Now it's time to generate product ideas. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 20 electronic product item name for my new video AI miniature product." ChatGPT will instantly generate a list of products. Choose any product you like. For this example, I'm going to use the Samsung Galaxy S. Copy the product name and return to Google Flow AI. Simply replace the object in the master prompt with Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and click Generate. After waiting for a short while, your videos will be ready. Google Flow will create a detailed macro-style video featuring a realistic miniature unboxing experience. Finally, download the clean video. Your video is now completely ready to upload to YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Now let's create another one. Go back to ChatGPT and select another item from the list. I'll choose the JBL Flip 8 Bluetooth speaker. Copy the product name and return to Google Flow AI. Paste the master prompt, replace the object placeholder with the new product name, and click Generate. And that's how you can create unlimited miniature product videos using a single prompt. If you want to discover more viral AI niches before everyone else jumps on them, then subscribe to my channel Hyman Hub and drop a like if this helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.